Hello there, team leads. This is Carlo, and I'll be teaching you now how to use our new worksheet format pertaining to how we are QAing our team. This would be basically the main task of your checker. As you can see in column P, this would vary depending on your initiative, but it would be on the last two rows. Checkers note and checker. The checker, you'll have to put in your name as a checker or the name of your checker like this. And if this tag, they will be tagging it now in only 7 different tags. Again, this would only be for your checkers. EFE means email format error. If you've seen a formatting error in the email, like the @ sign was typed as AT and all the others, you tag it as EFE. Bad email, if it depends as well. It's like info, admissions, and all that. NFE is name format error. Let's say Dr. Koning was placed in the last name instead of the first name. Lead gen, if you tagged it as a lead gen. If they found a contact in the lead gen. Contact found means if let's say this link right here, you were able to find a contact and the agent says no contact found, you're able to then put in contact found. Wrong tag if they tag it incorrectly, and contact form would be the invalid contact form. You know the details of that. Now, as soon as your team is done filtering this sheet, please tell them not to correct it in the meantime, because we will be getting everything in here, all the errors. Say this will be transferred. You have to copy it. Let's say everything has an error. Sorry. Like all these has errors. All you have to do is copy this, put this in your error sheet like this. So now, as soon as you're done with that, this is a protected sheet. No one can change it, but your agents can see it. So all the details or all the errors made by your team will be here. Now, all those will also be tabulated in the new sheet that we have created somewhere here. So if, say, this was put in by a GRM, a certain GRM, just copy this. Everything that you'll be posting in here, or the names of your agent, just copy it from here to here. It's very essential that you copy all the names, so it will be tabulated appropriately. All the errors that your agents created will be tabulated in here as the EFE, NFE, bad email, lead gen, contact found, wrong tag, and invalid contact form. Now here's the tricky part. After each and every sheet, what you will be doing is to transfer it to your tracker. You have to do it every day and every after shift. Now your QA, I'll be creating now a QA sheet in your tracker, and basically all you have to do is to copy this data from here to the next sheet here. If it's like GRM, you copy this. Now unfortunately we cannot copy the details here. If I do that, I copy it here and click on paste special, say values. So it doesn't work very well. So I suggest you do it manually. You put in all the entries. Let's say 2 1 0 0 1 2 1. Alright, and another agent is say 2 2 2 2 2 2, and all that. Alright. Now, as soon as you're done with that, you have to also copy your sheet, or the title of your sheet, and you put it here. So we know what sheet this certain GRM or JGM created the error. So if you have tabulated that, and just in case you'll be moving on to a different project, let's say uh, iKill project. Number 2, you'll be doing that, and you'll be copying the same agents here, and the same thing. You'll be going to, let's say this is iKill, just copy them, put it here. Alright, so every sheet and every error of your agents will be transferred into this QA sheet. So now, in addition to this reporting, we'll have a QA sheet for you. Now what this does is to basically track all the errors your agent has been doing, so that we will be able to correct them as we go along. Now the only thing that we need to figure out now is how to tabulate this. So let's say GRM. What we'll be doing is to use this formula right here, sum, and then filter array conditions, filter this CC, and then go here, and that should be equal to GRM, open and close, sorry. So type it as how you type it in column B, and then oops, sorry, some filter GRM. So all the errors GRM made will be tabulated in here as well. So you see how it progresses even if you copy it here. Like on the next sheet, GRM made the same mistake. GRM will, all the errors he made will be tracked here as well. So that goes the same to NFE, bad email. All you have to do now is to just copy this formula and just change C to D to get the NFE, the count of NFE errors. Alright, and so on and so forth. Just make this neat. Just put in like the usual formatting that we have. Just copy that, click that, put in, and just select. Just make it a little neat. Alright, there you go. Then again, so all the details or all the errors that your agents will be doing moving forward will be tracked, and I'm hoping that as soon as we're done with this project, we have minimized all the errors your agents has been doing for the next few days. Alright, so I think that would be all. Just let me know if you have questions with your sheet. As I've said, Michelle and the data team, Aaron, Aaron J, and Mark is already setting it up for you, and you'll be using those in your sheets moving forward. That'll be all, and good luck.